about mint. Now, mint is a great relaxant. It also relieves congestion and unblocks your nose, as you probably know about mint already. It's also a very cooling herb and causes your body to slightly lower its temperature. So, as Roxana was saying about the menopause, it's good to drink to eliminate those hot flushes as well. It's also good, you can use it in summery cordial drinks, like, people use it for pins. I don't drink alcohol, but you can make, non-alcoholic cooling drinks. And people find that consuming mint produces positive relief, again, for asthma symptoms. So if you don't like the time, and you can use the mint, which is probably a little bit more refreshing and a lot tastier. Another good remedy concerning mint is that it's good for dental hygiene. Inflamed gums, if you have bleeding gums, you just rinse with pure mint. Drink mint tea even, just rather than buying the bags. You'll find that a lot of stores, when you order, if it's a good calf, you'll get fresh mint herbs, and they're quite strong, and you just drink them. It's very good for strengthening gums, good for dental hygiene. And it freshens up the breath as well. And one of the interesting nutritional benefits is that this herb, also like sage, helps with things like gas. So if you get a very rumbly tummy or flatulence, it's very good for eliminating gas as well. It eases the digestive system, just like fennel does. In fact, I've got a fennel tea, which I'll normally drink after I've eaten. So, understanding about the different benefits of herbs, you can then use them whilst you're eating, drinking. So you know this is good for digestive problems. If you have stomach upsets as well, you can use it as a remedy for a stomach upset. So they taste delicious, and they look quite nice, but they have very good benefits which you can use as natural remedies for minor ailments.